been just such a wonderful experience. Having a community where we can talk to each other and learn from each other.
While I've taken tap before, musical theater before, it's a different approach because I'm meeting new teachers. There are classes like the marketing, the social media aspect, mental health, anatomy. I mean, we don't find that anywhere else.
This is my third year at Dance Teacher Web, and the people and the dance teachers and the studio owners and everyone that's here are definitely the reason I want to come back always.
There's over 1,000 attendees. We have over 76 teachers and people doing seminars here, so there's so much information to take on board. We're literally in the place where there's millions and millions of ideas coming together.
My favorite part about being here for the first time, I loved just like the community, all the different teachers coming together with like the same goal to become better teachers for their students. The community was really wonderful and it just re-inspired me too. I'm really excited to get back to teaching.